Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to a Hobby Lobby Christmas shop with me. If you love Christmas, then you've clicked on the right video because we are going to be doing some Christmas decor shopping together. I am just so excited to start my decorating, and I have so many ideas of what themes I want to go with, and I'm trying to narrow it down, but I've just been gaining so much inspiration searching different websites like Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn, Instagram. There's just so many posts that I've been saving, but on my mind, like on the forefront of my mind, I'm really going to be on the lookout for some velvet ribbon. That is just so trendy right now, you know, using velvet ribbon as little accents or hanging your ornaments with velvet ribbon. So I'm hoping to find some brown, copper, or gold colored ribbon. I'm also looking for some little pine trees to decorate my front porch, something that's maybe 3 or 4 feet tall, and some candles. I want to find some tapered candles that are browns or golds, those kinds of colors. So we will see what I find, and of course if I do end up purchasing anything, I will share that here with you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you watch until the end. But thank you so much for being here today. I hope you guys enjoy this. Hopefully it gives you some inspiration, and you know, maybe it might save you a trip to Hobby Lobby if you don't see anything you like in today's video, or vice versa. But thank you for being here. Give it a thumbs up if you are excited for Christmas, and let me know down in the comments if any of you have already started decorating. I'm sure some of you have. I know there's some diehard Christmas fans watching this video today, so definitely let me know down below, and let's go do some shopping.
Oh, by gosh, some stolly eggnog, gin and tonic made Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year.
I'll begin in the tableware section, and everything in the tableware as well as the Christmas decor and gift wrap was 50% off, which is amazing. I found so many things, guys, and you'll see at the end of the video everything that I ended up purchasing. But if you are hosting Christmas dinner this year, definitely shop their tableware section. There is so much to choose from, so many different patterns and styles. How adorable are these aprons? I was especially drawn to this green plaid one. And then how cute is this gingerbread apron? It's so whimsical. I love that. Also, I wanted to point out these adorable silverware holders. These would be perfect to put at each place setting. They had a gingerbread, a stocking, and a little Santa. So cute. And also these little spoons caught my eye. I think this would be perfect to put together a little gift basket for somebody. You could put an apron with those spoons, with the cutting board that had the, you know, the napkin and the spoon with it. Just a cute idea for a little, you know, gift basket. These napkin rings, this one in particular, this is definitely a lookalike for the Crate and Barrel ones. There were so many lookalike items at Hobby Lobby, lookalikes of high-end items, I should say, and I'll try to point a few of those out here in the video. But there was just so much to look at here at Hobby Lobby. I did try to narrow down what I filmed to more specifically the items that caught my eye and kind of went along with my taste. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and hopefully you see things that inspire you and give you some ideas.
Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded.
Moving on to pillows, and there are definitely some lookalikes to Pottery Barn, a few of Pottery Barn's pillows that caught my eye, starting with these peppermint ones. How adorable, absolutely adorable. But these are 50% off, so keep that in mind. If you are in need of a couple accent pillows to add to your family room, you need to check out Hobby Lobby. They did have a nice assortment. I was especially drawn to this snowflake one and this ornament shaped one. These are like a boucle material. So, so cute. And again, 50% off. And this one's definitely a lookalike to the Pottery Barn one. You know I could not resist that one. As you just saw, I did put that in my cart. Let's move on to the trees. So if you're in the market for a new tree this year, they had a lot of very reasonably priced trees. They have some flocked ones and just your, unflocked ones. But I was especially drawn to the miniature trees, the tabletop trees. These ones in particular with the basket base, they did light up. And I loved these ones, kind of the more wintry green color of them. They were so pretty. Just a very nice selection of miniature trees. I was really quite impressed.
Unchanging, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
Let's take a look at some of their candle holders. I loved these rounded ones. They are so minimal. It would be a perfect centerpiece. It's, again, minimal, but yet very festive. I also absolutely loved these tall iron ones. Now, these are a definite lookalike to ones I've seen from our house. And I wanted these so, so bad, but I couldn't envision where I would place them in my home. So I ultimately did not buy them. And that's something that I highly recommend when you are shopping. If you can't envision where you're going to put that item in your home, or you can't even envision how you would decorate with that item, then that's your sign to not buy the item. Keep that in mind. That's how I do my shopping, and let me tell you, it saves me so much money in the long run.
Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
They have so many stockings and tree skirts to choose from. They even have stockings for your pets, which I thought these were just adorable. But I loved the knit ones. I also love this fleece styled one. I was really tempted to get this one, but ultimately refrained because I do have quite a few tree skirts already that I own. But I also loved their basket weave, kind of like the seagrass basket tree skirt, and then just your traditional wicker basket tree skirt. Finally, let's talk about their ornaments and garland. Starting with their tree picks, they had such a nice selection of tree picks. I mean, I was really impressed, and I'm highlighting some of the ones that really caught my eye here. In terms of ornaments, they have such a great selection. The only thing that was lacking in my eyes, because it was something I was specifically looking for, were the velvet covered ornaments. I didn't see any of those, not unless I missed them, but they definitely have a really good selection nonetheless. I also loved their variety of garlands. I wanted to find just strictly some larger beaded garland, which I did not see, but I did find this garland you'll see here that has a mixture of bead garland and felt garland right there on the right. Now this I bought last year, several strings of that, and I love that garland. But if you were looking for just strictly beads alone, I didn't see that, at least not in the large size. I saw some white ones that were smaller size. So it's something to keep in mind. I found way more items than I intended. If you have not been to Hobby Lobby yet, you definitely need to go. They have so much that you will love, and you need to go now while the items are still available, because I imagine as each day goes by, there's gonna be less and less. But today, my Hobby Lobby was fully stocked, so I had no trouble finding things that I liked. So the first items I'm going to show you are wrapping paper. They did have a nice selection, and these two patterns in particular really caught my eye. This one's just like that craft paper with snowflakes, and then this one is a plaid print one, and I just thought these were just really classic prints. So yeah, got some wrapping paper. Next, I picked up some pine cones, and I love that this is a group of 3. They're really large, so this is going to be nice to fill a decorative bowl. I think this was half off of $22.99, so not a bad price. I also picked up some bells. Again, this will be a perfect bowl filler. How cute are these? They have little snowflakes on them, but I love these. Could not resist these. My favorite items by far are these pillows. I'm trying to move quick here because I see that my battery is gonna die any minute, so I may have to switch to my phone, the camera on my phone, if I can talk today. So if you've seen my previous decorative fall decorate with me videos, you know I picked up a couple of these wool like spear pillows that I am obsessed with. Well, Hobby Lobby has a snowflake one that's that kind of what do you call this material, like a fleece, kind of like boucle look, but this is very identical to the Pottery Barn one. If you've shopped Pottery Barn, you know what I'm talking about, but this is a fraction of the Pottery Barn cost. So this was half off of $23.99. You can't beat that. So definitely I could not pass on this one. But they also had this adorable ornament shaped one. How cute. Honestly, just no words. The cuteness of this. So I could not pass this one either. This was the same price at half off. An unbeatable deal. So I've got some pillows here. I also picked up some little wreaths just for putting on the back of chairs. I picked up 4 of these. These were $7.99, but again, half off. And I did find the candles I was looking for. So I bought 2 colors. I bought 3 each of a copper color and then a cinnamon brown color. Let me show you. So I got a copper colored one and a more of a cinnamon brownish one. And I got 3 each of these. So I was really happy that I found these. And then I did find some velvet ribbon that I was really hoping to find. So I bought a black, a brown, and also kind of like a goldish color. So I think this is going to be so fun to just add little touches of these colors, you know, whether I use this to hang ornaments or just tie them around trees or tie a ribbon around a doorknob, that kind of thing. There's so many ways you can decorate using ribbon. I also picked up this little string of bells, and what I was thinking was I could hang this on my fireplace, like on one side of my fireplace. This was $13.99, but of course it was half off. Like all of their Christmas decor was half off, which is just awesome. And then last but not least, let me put this stuff away. Okay, last but not least, I bought these little potted pines. Now these just have such a kind of natural look to them, and that's really what drew me to them. It's more of an organic look, but yet still very sophisticated and classic. These smaller ones were only $15.99. I say only because they were half off that price, which is such a good bargain. So I bought 2 this size, which is, I don't know, what, 1.5 feet, and then I bought 2 that are about 2.5 feet tall. So I'm thinking I can add these smaller ones maybe to my bathrooms, and then the larger ones put on either side of my kitchen sink. So we will see, but I will definitely be sharing with you guys, you know, how I decorate with these items. I will definitely be having a lot of decorate with me's coming your way, so stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you are feeling inspired and you're ready to go do some shopping of your own. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Take care.